back to chambers, back to that display pole, this time early in the morning and in the spring mating season. This much smaller Lewin's honeyeater has just been displaced by our resident male Victoria's riflebird. This species is one of Australia's few birds of paradise. Most, of course, are found in the island of New Guinea. Birds have some remarkable visual cues, such as their bright orange gape. This male is getting ready to display. He is reacting to the sounds of other males in his territory, and also to females. After all that work and showing off, he finally seems to notice the camera. And the morning comes full circle when a Lewin's honeyeater comes in to replace him.